many folks have been saying, including probably myself at times, that 2025 is the year of the agent, of Agentic AI. But before we started recording, you said to me that it's the year of multi. Tell us about that.
So 2025 is the year of agents in different perspective, right? And I think in the mainstream commercial perspective, and a lot of people within the space have been screaming about agents before this year, last year, even some people in 2023. Now it's mainstream, it's commercial, now everyone is aware of it. But I think it's our job as leaders within the space and being at the forefront and helping our customers to be several months ahead of our customers if we're able to provide good services to them. So agents, they're good, they're nice, and we should all be building them and learning about them. But I think the 2012 is the multi-era of AI. So what I mean by that is multi-agent architecture is going to be very popular. They're going to be very popular. We're going to have multimodal embeddings. Now you have embeddings that is not just text, they're images, videos, audio, all captured using one embeddings. Multilingual embeddings that can understand different languages, and you're gonna have multiple retrieval mechanisms within your agentic system. So vector search is not all you need, right? Vector databases were popular, but you can't just rely on vector representation to retrieve the right information from your database to give to your LLM. You need more various different search mechanisms, and we're seeing a lot of people move into this memory management space I was talking about. So multi-agent, the multimodal, multilingual, multiple retrieval mechanisms. There's multi-step reasoning as well. So 2025 is the multi era for AI.
Yeah, we're taking up some of the foundations that were honed over 2023 and 2024, and scaling them up in a multi-way. Yeah, you're absolutely spot on. Looking beyond 2025. What are your predictions for agents beyond this year?
Predictions in AI they're very funny to make because everyone's always wrong. No one could have predicted we'll be here maybe 3-4 years ago, right? If I was to make a sound prediction, it's not going to be wild. I think voice agents are going to they're going to rise in popularity. I have a very strong opinion that voice agent might not take off as much people think it would. They're not going to be the dominant way that we engage with agents. But voice agents, everyone is going to want to implement voice within their AI application because just experiment. Like I said, the experimentational nature of AI in general. I see memory management becoming an important topic. And I met Andrew Ng, who's an AI pioneer. And the first thing he said is, at Richmond, how do you model memory within agentic system? This was last year, April, and he's way ahead in the space than I am. And I see a lot of people starting to focus on memory management and modeling memory within agentic system because that's how humans work. We don't have just one form of retrieval mechanism within our brain. We have several different forms of memory, recalling memory. So agentic system will need the same as well.